Even after being the most cautious and careful driver, you can't control events outside of your vehicle. That's why choosing the right dashcam is crucial. We've put together a list of the best dashcams of 2022. Introducing the all-new Rexeng V1P dashcam. Featuring both a front and rear-facing camera that records in 1080p at 30 fps, has a 170-degree viewing angle and uses wide dynamic range technology and a Sony Starbus image sensor for improved night vision. The front camera also features an LCD screen. Wide dynamic range allows each camera to perform optimally in low-light situations by carefully fine-tuning the exposure. 170-degree ultra-wide angle lenses on both cameras open up to capture sweeping views of their surroundings. With the Wi-Fi Connect system, you can view, save and share dashcam recordings wirelessly on your mobile device with the user-friendly app interface. Power is delivered by a high-performance supercapacitor, a premium alternative to a lithium-ion battery that features enhanced temperature resistance to hot and cold climates. With the new loop recording feature, recordings can be split into segments by automatically overriding older recordings with new ones when the memory card has reached its storage limit. The G sensor automatically locks clips when it detects an impact, a standard feature to prevent important video footage from being deleted or overwritten. The Rexeng V1P also allows you to manually lock footage by pushing the OK button on the camera while recording. So if something unexpected happens while you're out and about, you can still save the clip. The Rexeng V1P also comes with innovative features like full HD dual-channel cameras, a built-in Wi-Fi system, ultra-wide angle lenses, a high-performance supercapacitor, temperature resistance, and many other exciting features like a 24-hour parking monitor and solid customer support system. The micro SD card isn't included with the camera kit, so you'll need to purchase one separately. The Rexeng V1P accepts cards with up to 256 GB of storage. For full functionality, you can also go for optional accessories like the Rexeng GPS logger, which pairs information about your location and speed with all of your dashcam footage. The Rexeng Smart Hardware Kit, on the other hand, allows you to activate parking surveillance mode and automatic ignition recording. Next on our list is the Thinkware U1000. The most recent flagship model by Thinkware can deliver native 4K quality and boasts a comprehensive driver assistance warning system that helps keep drivers safe on the road. The U1000 can also be accessorized with a 2K QHD rear view camera for all-around protection. The video resolution can also be downgraded from 4K at 30 fps down to 2K at 60 fps for smoother videos and making license plate reading a breeze. Additional features include a wide-angle view for uncompromised video coverage with wide viewing angles, so you never miss a moment. The U1000 also comes with a parking mode feature that increases power efficiency up to 26 times the total duration of the dashcam's parking surveillance mode. The dashcam conserves energy by going on standby when entering parking surveillance mode and wakes up to record events triggered by any impacts. Another important feature is the radar module that allows the U1000 dashcam to extend its parking surveillance mode duration by reducing the power consumption. The U1000 starts recording when an impact is detected, and a 20-second video is saved in a dedicated folder on the micro SD card. When no impacts are detected, the U1000 goes back into energy-saving mode, thereby increasing power efficiency. It also has an added feature of a strong impact notification. In the event of a crash, the alert feature notifies others of an emergency situation when the driver is not in the condition to do so. The family or the owner of the car can then remotely check on the situation from their location. When the car experiences an impact with a G-force level greater than 3G or 4G while driving, the dashcam will automatically send a push notification alert of the impact to the user's smartphone logged into the Thinkware Cloud app. The U1000 also includes driver assistance features that include a forward collision warning system to alert drivers before they crash into the vehicle in front of them, an urban forward collision warning system to alert drivers to road hazards in low-speed environments, A front vehicle departure warning to tell drivers that the car ahead of them has taken off. A lane departure warning system to help drivers avoid drifting into another lane. And if that's not nifty enough, the Thinkware U1000 also warns you about upcoming red lights so you don't run through them. It will even give you a heads up about speed cameras lurking in the distance. Coming up next on our list is the Rove R2, one of the most advanced and powerful 4K video dashcams available in the market. Meticulously designed to provide crystal clear 4K video not only during the day, but also during the nighttime with its ultra-low light Sony Starvis sensor with super night vision technology. The Rove R2 comes with a front-facing dashcam that can record in 4K resolution at 30 FPS. It is built in Wi-Fi for fast video uploads. But unlike the Rexeng V1P, the Rove 2 comes with a lithium-ion battery that lasts for just 5 minutes without a direct power supply. Another important feature is that you can control this dashcam with your voice. No Amazon Alexa or Google Home integration is required. The Rove R2 features variable resolution and frame rate settings, which helps your memory card store even more clips. You can also record time-lapse or slow-mo videos. The suction cup mount includes a 360-degree swivel so that you can focus the lens in any direction. Some state-of-the-art features of the Rove R2 include a microSD storage support of up to 512 GB, a Sony Starvis IMX sensor that ensures extremely high detail even in ultra-low-light nighttime conditions, a custom voice alerts and guidance system that lets you know when parking mode is activated so that if ever someone has bumped into your car, it would record automatically. A proprietary distortion correction algorithm that automatically corrects any fisheye effect resulting from the ultra-wide lenses. A wide dynamic range capability that adjusts any overexposed or underexposed image automatically so that you always get a robust and beautiful image regardless of light conditions. A unique screensaver feature that continuously records the video in the background, ensuring that you only get the details that matter to you most while driving. For full functionality, you can also opt for the Rove Ultimate Hardware Kit, which keeps your dashcam powered even after the engine is turned off. It includes a simple plug-and-play solution that can be installed in less than a minute and requires little to no electrical expertise.
When it comes to protecting your vehicle, you should never have to compromise. Introducing the BlackVue DR900X Plus series dashcams. With a new and improved 4K ultra-high resolution front camera, you'll capture the most critical details day and night. BlackVue's seamless pairing means that it's easier than ever before to connect to your dashcam without ever having to leave the BlackVue app. We understand that you are not always going to be with your vehicle. The DR900X Plus series makes it easy to stay connected by using the optional LTE connectivity module or by simply connecting to a mobile hotspot. Now you'll enjoy the benefits of the BlackVue Cloud, such as remote live view or impact notifications. And with built-in voltage monitoring, you can hardwire your BlackVue without having to worry about draining your vehicle's battery. The DR900X Plus series also features BlackVue's new mobile hotspot function, letting you turn your LTE-connected dashcam into a wireless hotspot to connect up to 5 devices while on the go. BlackVue DR900X Plus series, the ultimate 4K cloud dashcam. Find yours at BlackVue.com.
Hey Siri, create a Nexar clip.
Saving. You've parked at Paseo Verde Parkway, Henderson.